Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video for learning C for DSA, we are going to understand one more concept is called void pointer. What is void pointer and how we can use it in our C programming, that we are going to understand. This is the integer variable. And we know that for storing the address of integer variable, we need to create integer pointer. But here I am creating a pointer of void. I say p and I am passing the address of this to the void pointer. This is called void pointer. What is the specialization of void pointer, that we are going to understand. So I display here value. Remember that I say %t. And I try to put the value outside of this pointer. So you see it will generate error. You see it's saying that dereferencing is required for pointer that is declared as a void, because you have stored the address of integer variable in void. So whenever we are displaying this value, we do not know what is the type of this pointer, so we have to dereference manually. So I have to do like that manually to dereference the pointer. First of all, I have to convert this pointer into integer type, then I have to get the value of this. So I save this and you see now error is solved. Now we just print the value 10. Now once again, suppose I want a character variable of name Vipin. I declare like this. So I declare here character array. Now again I use p to pass the address of this character array like this. Then I want to printf %s and I want to print the p. Remember that because we do not require the address star for %s. So I pass here p and I execute it. You see we have the address here because %s automatically dereferencing this character type of value. But if I am using a C here and I need to put a star, now you see the problem. We have the error because for character type we have to dereference it. Then again I have to convert into char like this and this also like that way. Save this, compile it, run it. You see we have a v from the first. Now I can put s also. S will also work, but I have to remove the star from this. Why? Because it a %s require the address, not the value. So you see I compile it once again and you see the output is here. So we can dereference it. If I do not dereference, simply I use this. So automatically %s dereference the character variable. You see, but in integer case we have to dereference it. So what is the use of void pointer? Void pointer is a such kind of pointer that can store the address of any kind of pointer. Means it can store the integer variable, it can store the address of character variable, it can store the address of float variable, it can store the address of other variable also. But we have to dereference it for using this. We require this, otherwise it will generate an error. That's all about void pointer in C. I think you understand now. If you understand, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this.